Today I'll teach you how to install plugins in Photoshop. Now there are two ways on how to go about this, depending on your plugin file type, if it requires automatic or manual installation. Go to your Adobe Creative Cloud and under the search box, type in your plugin name. This will take you to this section where you can install the plugin automatically without any further trouble. And you can find it nicely installed in your Photoshop program under this menu right here. You can also Google your plugin name and install it directly from its official website. There is a great website actually called aejuice.com where you can install a lot of plugins easily, link in the description below if you're interested. But what if your plugin cannot be installed automatically, like this one for example? You basically downloaded it from a website and you got this zip file or folder. What are you gonna do about it? Well, unzip the folder first and double click on this new folder. If you're on Windows, copy this file right here, and if you're on Mac, open this and copy this file. I'm on Windows, so I'm copying this one. After that, right click your Photoshop shortcut, click on Open File Location, search for the folder that's named Plugins, and then simply paste the file you just copied inside this folder. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them below, and yeah, feel free to check out this next tutorial.